Hey, it's your buddy Bob K, still having fun. And if your idea of fun is taking boat rides into jungles around the world, well, come along for the ride. Hey, it's your old buddy Bob, still having fun. And today I think we're going to experience the Jingle Cruise. Yes, you also know it as the Jungle Cruise. And it is actually one of the few rides here at the Magic Kingdom that is themed for the holidays, thus the Jingle Cruise. So let's take a trip.
Safety information, please make sure to stay fully seated, keeping hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. For parents, please supervise those children. And now, wave goodbye to all my fans! Did you see them? They were up there on the ceiling. I don't know who those people are, but you know what? We'll never see them ever again. Hey everybody, welcome aboard the world-famous Jingle Cruise. My name is Skipper Madeline, and I will be your happy holiday host, and also your gift wrapper, your tree trimmer, your popcorn stringer, your secret Santa. I wasn't supposed to say that last part yet. Act really surprised next week, okay? Alright, but we're here on the Amazon River, and if you look on the sides here, you might be able to catch a glimpse of a couple humbugs. And if we're really quiet, we just might be able to hear their call. Ah! Did you hear that? Just like I thought. Bah, humbug. Lots of bugs in the jungle this time of year. If you're feeling a little bit itchy, those might be the fleas Navidad. I forgot to do boat orientation. That might be important. Okay, everybody, take a look up. That's the top of the boat. And now take a look down. That's the bottom of the boat. If those two things ever switch, swim. Alrighty, but we're gonna head off the Amazon River onto the Congo River. So, what do you say, everybody? Should we see just how far this boat can go? Frosty response. I'll do better, I promise. We're gonna be coming up on Boat Space and Bites. I hear they're getting ready for a wonderful holiday party, and I don't see anybody. Canoe? Look at this! Somebody's getting an old tree for Christmas. It's all wrapped up and it's even got a boa on top. What in the jungle was that? Okay. Well, I wanted to swing by the camp to show you what the surveyors have been up to, but it seems the apes are calling the shots around here. And no. Do you see that? Do you see what they did to my Jeep? They left the lights on! Alright, but looks like we're now making our way onto another famous African river, the Nile River. It's over 4,000 miles long. It just goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles. And if you don't believe me, you're probably in disbelief. Over there is an African bull elephant. There's going to be another one on this side, and these two have landed themselves on the naughty list this year. They keep trying to convince me otherwise, and I just keep telling them that they're probably just in denial. Oh, and a fun fact for you about elephants, they actually help Santa with the naughty and nice list, because they have such a great memory. I wish I had a memory like that. Probably be good for my job. Look at all these animals! There's bearded reindeer and long-necked reindeer and little reindeer, a couple striped reindeer there in the back. And would you look at this? The family of reindeer is settling in for their holiday feast. Striped reindeer on the rocks. Don't worry about him though, he's just pretending to be asleep, so he doesn't have to talk to the extended family. But just up ahead, we are going to see some of the brightest and most brilliant minds, and also some of the most creative ones as well, and Skipper Felix. Yeah, that's him at the bottom. Today is actually his very first day. It's probably also his last. And do you see those hyenas? They are actually a special kind of hyena. They're elf hyenas. Santa's little yelpers. Oh, and look over here, it's Mr. Frost and his girlfriend Ginger. You gotta watch out for him though, because you know, Frost bites. But Ginger's been extra good, so we all pitched in to get her exactly what she's always wanted. A crock pot. My friends, I'm glad you're here. I've been working on this project for a really long time now. It's taken me about 8 weeks to build, and I'm really, really excited to show it to you. Frosty! again someday. You know, though, a lot of people, they do tend to ask, Skipper Madeline, how did you land this job? And I feel like it's pretty plain to see. I took a crash course, and now I'm just winging it. That's the tail end of that story, though. You know, the career just never took off like I'd hoped. Oh, no. Okay, this is bad. I'm thinking maybe I should have been just a little bit more specific. And I said I wanted hungry, hungry hippos for Christmas. Okay, I think I have an idea. I'm gonna try and scare them off, okay? Look, it worked! Who would have thought? Alright, and now, oh no, it's my worst nightmare. Everybody get down! It's the Christmas carolers! Close the doors, close! We don't have any doors. Okay, does anybody happen to have any sticky pudding? Because they will not go until they get some. They will not go until they get some. Okay. I think we're safe. I think we made it. That was a close call. Alright. Couple chimps over here. Looks like they're trying to catch some butterflies. Hopefully, they have better luck than I did. The only thing I have ever caught out here was a cold. So friends, get those cameras out and ready, because here is what you came here for. And it is the wondrous, the stupendous, the very merry, the eighth wonder of the year. The sky of water! Woo! You know, some jokes just never go out of season. Oh, but please don't try that at home, okay? You'll hit your head on the back of the faucet. Don't ask how I know that. Just trust me on that one. But now we're heading on to the Mekong River, and I don't know about you all, but it's Mekong me a little nervous. Wait, hold on. Okay, if I am not mistaken, this is the entrance to Santa's workshop. I'm so excited. I love Santa. Let's go ahead. Okay, so when I asked you to shower us with gifts, this isn't exactly what I was thinking. You're coming back up. Okay, everybody stop, stop, stop. Goose. Most people think it's water coming out of those trunks. It's not. There's an elephant over here. Fun fact for you about elephants. They actually help Santa with the naughty and nice list because they have such a great memory. I wish I had a memory like that. That might be really good for my job. Speaking of elephants, though, did you know that Santa actually used to use elephants before he switched over to the reindeer? It's a true story. Unfortunately, the complaints about roof damage were absolutely overwhelming. He had no choice but to switch over. However, you really can't beat that kind of trunk space. But friends, it looks like we're heading on up to the Lost and the gift shop. The gift shop. There's no better time to start holiday shopping than right now. You'll be able to get your loved one an extremely unique gift. Just like the thing they lost this morning. And there's a monkey up here that takes our photo. Unfortunately, we won't ever be getting it back, okay? He's only in it for the exposure. And do you see those monkeys up there that are spinning? They've been spinning around and around for days. I wonder what that's like. But I think that they must be trying to break a record or something. 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 And look at that, there's an elephant. Fun fact for you about elephants, they actually help Santa with the naughty and nice list. Because they have such a great memory. I wish I had a memory like that. It'd probably be really good for my job. But friends, now's probably a great time to go ahead and shout out our sponsors, Miracle Boat Company. Because if it makes it all the way around the jungle, it must be a miracle. And don't forget to stop by Sunshine Tree Terrace. They have some great with desserts. Just whatever you do, and I cannot emphasize this enough, do not get in line for the punch, okay? There's going to be no punch line. But friends, I hope you all had a great time out there. I know I just had so much fun. I'll probably do it again. And again. And again. But if you did have fun, make sure you tell as many people as physically possible. You had a lot of fun on the Jingle Cruise today with Skipper Madeline, okay? It's really helpful in keeping our wait time really low. Skipper Madeline will be spelled H-E-L-P-M-E! Exclamation point. But you know, we did talk about a lot of different animals, so we have a little bit of extra time. I'm going to take the time now to point out some of my favorite plants for you. Yeah, that's that. I think they're pretty cool. Oh, did you want me to name them? Okay, I can try. Dasher and Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and what is that last one? What is that last one? That's Fern. But friends, you've been a wonderful group. You've just been absolutely outstanding. But in just a moment, it's going to be time for you to be, you know, outstanding on that there dock. But let's talk exit plan while we have the time, okay? My friends on this side here, you're going to go out that back door. My friends on this side and my friends in the middle, you're going to go out the front door. And I'm going to stay right up here at the wheel because they don't let me leave.